Inspire Investing app. The pros, the cons. Inspire Investing is a platform that allows users to invest in companies aligned with social and environmental values. But is value-based investing effective? Starting with the pros first, social impact. Users can direct funds towards sustainable and ethical companies, combining financial goals with personal values. Second, curated portfolios. Inspire selects companies based on its criteria, saving time on research. Third, accessibility. Investors can start with modest amounts and still diversify across sectors. Now, the cons. One limitation is potential trade-offs on returns. Socially responsible portfolios may underperform compared to broad market indices. Another drawback is fewer investment options. Platform focuses on ISK-aligned companies, which limits the selection. The surprising truth? Inspire is ideal for value-driven investors, but it requires patience and long-term commitment. In conclusion, the pro-social impact, curated portfolios and accessibility make Inspire appealing to ethical investors. The cons, possible lower returns and limited choices, should be weighed by those prioritizing growth over impact.